Good day, everyone. I am Michelin Pilonas, and today I will be presenting familiarization and different medical forms, medical instruments, and medical supplies. First, we have here medical forms, a useful tool utilized by most medical facilities nowadays. It is used by medical practitioner as means to gather information or consent from the patient or their families to provide a medical treatment without any direct legal consequences to the practitioner themselves. An example we have here, medical release form. Medical release form, it is a document that allows the healthcare professional to share their patients' medical information. We also have here personal training or medical form. It is used so that the trainer will know about the medical condition of their trainee while formulating exercise. It is actually a medical history form. Last, we have here patient information form required by every hospitals or medical facilities when you get yourself checked, admitted, or when you have to undergo medical treatment or any medications. It is also a hassle-free for billing process. Next, we have medical instruments. Instruments used for medical practices. An example of these we have here the pulse oximeter, which is used to measure blood saturation of um, arterial blood, usually attached in fingers, toes, or ears. We also have stethoscope, um, an acoustic medical device for auscultation or listening to internal sounds of animals or human body. We also have sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer is used to measure blood pressure. Also, we have here thermometer, used to measure temperature or temperature gradient. Last, we have medical supplies. These are medical supplies are usually for diagnostic or testing supplies used to diagnose or a disease or condition. I have examples here: the needles, syringes, medical cups, medical holders, gauze, compartment trays, or towels. So that would be all for the familiarization of different medical forms, instruments, and supplies. Thank you.